The V-Series Contura sealed rocker switches are well known for their cutting-edge design, high quality, maximum performance, and unmatched reliability. Maximum sealing protection is achieved by utilizing dual seals around lamps, rocker stem, and panel. Dual lamps provide multiple lighting options. Optimum performance is realized through the use of field-proven silver-plated butt contacts and Carling's roller pin mechanism, which does not require lubricants. The switch base accommodates up to 10 terminals, and the multi-step mounting wings provide a secure fit in various panel thicknesses. Additionally, the switch connector allows for preloading of female quick connect terminals. Numerous choices of removable actuators allow for design style changes without having to retest or requalify the switch base. Use Carling's VRT tool to remove and replace any actuator. A variety of complementary accessories are available to accommodate any design need. The V-Series switches are ideal for on-off highway and marine applications.